Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a special day. I'm sharing my first ever daily vlog. I've been wanting to do this for a while and I finally decided to just go for it. Some come along with me as I take you through my day, filled with warmth, food and a little inspiration sprinkled in between. It's mid-morning here and I'm starting the day with a hot cup of tea, my little pocket of peace before the kitchen buzz begins. This quiet moment reminds me of something important. Every woman deserves a few minutes in her day that belongs only to her. We spend so much time caring for everyone around us, but that tiny pause to breathe, smile, and gather your thoughts, that's what fills your cup before you can pour into others. Since my ghee jar was almost empty, I decided to start with something simple but so satisfying, making fresh homemade ghee. I'm using Kirkland's unsalted butter. 1800 grams of butter gives about 1400 ml of pure golden ghee. And once it cools down, it sets beautifully. Soft, rich and aromatic. There's something magical about the process. Watching butter melt slowly, bubble and transform. It reminds me that even we in our daily lives are constantly transforming, growing, evolving and becoming stronger with time. Now it's time to move on to lunch. Today I'm making a simple, soulful meal, Palak dal with steamed white rice and Masala Vada. It's a comfort food at its best. For the dal, I have taken 1 cup of toor dal, washed, soaked and pressure cooked with salt and turmeric. All the ingredients with measurements will be mentioned in the captions or the description. While it cooks, I prep the veggies, onions, tomatoes, baby spinach and green chillies. I love this part of cooking. The rhythm of chopping, the scent of fresh ingredients, it's almost like meditation. For tempering, I heat some coconut oil, add mustard and cumin seeds, then green and red chillies. That first sizzle, it just brings the kitchen to life. Next go the onions, turmeric, salt and finally the tomatoes and spinach. Once everything blends together, I pour in the soft cooked dal and finish it with fresh coriander. It's simple but nourishing, and just like this dal, life doesn't always need to be fancy. It just needs to be heartfelt. A pinch of patience, a handful of love, and it turns out perfect every single time. While the dal rests, I start on the rice. 1:2 ratio of rice to water with a pinch of salt, soaked for about 15 minutes. I cook it in the instant pot for 6 minutes and it comes out fluffy and soft every time. Sometimes the simplest dishes bring the most comfort, a reminder that joy often hides in the simplest things. And now for the final touch to our lunch, crispy golden masala vadas. I soaked the chana dal overnight and ground it coarsely with green chillies and salt. Then added chopped onions, dill leaves, ginger garlic paste, turmeric, garam masala, and just a pinch of baking soda. Each vada goes into hot oil until perfectly golden, crunchy on the outside, soft on the inside. As I fry these, I can't help but think life is just like these vadas. The heat, the patience, the care, that's what brings out the best in us. So never rush your process. Your golden moment is coming too. Now our comfort meal is ready. Fluffy rice, creamy palak dal, and the crispy masala vada. A perfect balance of simplicity and flavor. A plate that feels like home. After lunch, I took a short break and stepped outside for some fresh air, the sun, the calm lake, and the gentle breeze. All of it reminds me how beautiful everyday life can be when we pause to notice it. Gratitude truly changes everything. Even on ordinary days, if we look closely, there's always something extraordinary hiding in the small moments. Evening time calls for something sweet, and today I'm making a timeless favorite, Gajar ka Halwa. As I opened the fridge and saw those bright orange carrots waiting, I knew what I had to make. I didn't have ready-made khoya, so I made a quick one with milk powder, ghee, and a splash of milk. Instant, creamy, and delicious. That's the beauty of home cooking. Where there is a will and a craving, there's always a way. Grating 1.5 kilos of carrots was easy with my food processor. Honestly, one of my best kitchen investments. I start with dry roasting the carrots until the moisture evaporates, and then add in 1.5 liters of milk and let it cook slowly. It takes time, but some recipes are meant to be slow. Just like this halwa, good things in life take patience. Once the milk has reduced, I add sugar, stir until it thickens, then folding in the khoya. In a separate pan, I roast dry fruits in ghee until golden and pour them over. The aroma that fills the kitchen, simply irresistible. And my favorite way to enjoy it? A warm bowl of Gajar ka Halwa topped with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Nostalgia and happiness in every bite. As I taste the first spoonful, I'm instantly transported back to childhood, to cozy winter evenings and my mom's kitchen. Some recipes aren't just food, they're stories, memories, and love passed down through generations. As the day winds down, I step outside once again, the sky painted with soft evening hues, the lake glimmering gently. It feels like the perfect way to end this day. To every woman watching, remember you don't have to be perfect to be amazing. Keep following your passions one step at a time. Every day you show up for yourself is a day worth celebrating. Thank you for being here and spending your time with me on this little journey. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It truly means a lot. This is Yum Space signing off for today with love, gratitude and the promise of more beautiful moments ahead. Until next time, keep smiling, keep cooking and keep creating your own sunshine.